Welcome to SmartLearn Institute Quick Guide. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to register your child. Please follow the instructions for a smooth admission. We appreciate you choosing us. How to fill the registration form. Carefully fill out the registration form with correct details. Select the appropriate batch for the student. Enter the contact number in correct format and personal information. Use a valid Gmail address to avoid any issues in receiving emails and Drive access. Click Submit and ensure confirmation message is received by student or parent. After form submission, upon completion of the registration, please send the confirmation to the phone number from which the form was received. Documents will be shared within next working day. You will receive the following documents: fee details for Payment Institute information document, including institute contact details, location, and bank details. The following documents will also be shared with parents for signing: pre-filled admission form, student code of conduct, academic fee structure form. If the documents are not shared within 1 working day of submission, please contact 0585 998 683. Required documents. Submit the following documents: copy of Emirates ID, passport size photograph, scanned copy of the signed documents. All these documents need to be forwarded on SmartLearn Admin WhatsApp number. Note that the WhatsApp link for SmartLearn Admin is also included in the previous chat for your convenience. Payment process. After completing the process, kindly proceed with the fee payment methods, bank transfer or check, or you can pay cash on site. After payment, send a screenshot to the SmartLearn Admin number. The fee receipt will be shared shortly after receiving the payment. Note: the payment amount and bank details were shared via the admin's WhatsApp message along with the document for signing. Confirmation and access after fee confirmation. The student will be added to the respective WhatsApp group within 24 hours, and you will receive a confirmation message. If you are not added to the group before the next class, please call on institute number. Note: all academic information and Zoom links for classes will be shared only in the respective WhatsApp. Once the student is added to the WhatsApp group and receives the Drive link for resources, the admission process will be considered complete. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. For any further assistance, please contact us. SmartLearn Admin 056 88 21 or you can call SmartLearn Institute 050 910 5590.